Hello YouTube. This is my spellbook deck, the most broken deck ever. To build this deck, we need 2 High Priestess because she's beautiful, 2 Spellbook of Prophecy because he's gay and he search spellbook any spellbooks to your deck. Another one is Justice of Prophecy because she's beautiful also. Kaiku, don't know why. Spellbook of Secret, search its all spellbook because it's secret. Spellbook of Power, plus 1000 attack. Spellbook of Eternity for banish spellbooks. Spellbook of Master, the copycat spellbook. Starhole, continuous spell card spellbook. Spellbook Wisdom for defense. Spellbook of Library, trash. Spellbook of Judgment Day, this is the most broken card ever. Spellbook of Light, Monster Reborn. Spellbook of Faith, awesome card. Spellbook of Tower, field spell card. Book of Moon, quick play. Dark Hole, because it's awesome. Heavy Storm, because it's also awesome. Mystical Space Typhoon, destroy spell card. Bottomless Trap Hole, because Solemn Warning, because Solemn Judgment, because we hate monsters. Yeah. And you don't need extra deck on this deck because if you complete this deck, you win.